We're live. How we doing? How we doing? Friday's here. Friday's here. Last day of the week. Last trading day for a little while for me. I'm off next week, so be good to make the most of it. Big sell-off early, didn't we? Pre-market because of Mr. Trump himself. What was it exactly? He said 50% tariffs on EU, wasn't it? And then them to begin June 1st. So yeah, literally not long. Another week. Fair play. I missed it, unfortunately. I was out. Come back. This is a minute chart, and we were down. Where were we? We were down here. And I was thinking about entering in a little cheeky short, but I didn't. I thought we'd move down quite a bit. I'm glad I didn't, because we haven't gone too much further. How did gold react to this? Bullish. No surprise there. But yeah, I'm up on the day slightly, just about. I haven't made it easy for myself. Started off the day, my first trade, 400 up. Then it took about 3 losses. But then I had another win. So yeah, I'm up at $107 for the day. Right, I've been running late this morning, so I've got no targets or anything set up. I need to sort my charts out. Right, I think I'm going to delete all drawings, I think. Start fresh. My bars from the London session was bearish. Obviously, the US has also gone bearish, so it's a bit of a difficult one to call today. I'll mark up my charts like normal. Yeah, big sell-off. Shame I missed it. As well, I actually, the last trade I was in on the challenge account, I sold the London high. Sold up here. Imagine if I'd held that, that'd be funny, wouldn't it? Not like I would have. I find it so difficult to play these sort of moves. Or before New York Open. Are we going to open up and just sell off, or are we going to retrace it? Previous day closes around midpoint of Asia range. I can't see it's coming all the way back up there though, to be honest. It's a long way to go. I think I'll put my long target as yesterday's close. Long target. Don't know what it's got 2 hours for. Oh, then yeah, short target. Fat nose. What does it look like if we do keep selling off? What have we got to aim for? So we're down 500 points. Well, we've moved down 500 points on the day. Down 2.5%. Well, back to 1.9 now, but I don't know. I just don't see if I can't see it much of a more of a move down. I mean, down here would be about 1,000 points, which would be just under 5%. That would be a pretty wild day, but I can't see it. I feel like my short target is going to be this low here. Then I feel like we retrace back into the range of the day. Obviously, if we blast through this and sell off heavy, then that would change. But I can't see it being that big of a session, to be honest. It's either going to be a big session or it's going to be an absolute shit session. That's my thoughts. Right, what we got? 2 minutes to open. Let's get the poll up. I want to know what everyone else was thinking. It's a difficult one to call. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. I'm going possibly initially short. And then long, I think. But I'm going to have to just wait and see, to be honest. I can't see it being anything amazing, though. I can see it being a bit of a boring, choppy day overall. Lewis, how you doing, mate? Wild pre-market, eh? I assume you were working, wouldn't you? You wouldn't have caught any of it, would you? Yeah, look at my last trade. The sell at 21,216. Right up here, and then we are now got to come all the way down to 27,34. Fuck me. Caught a couple of micro scouts for 98. Yeah, I was by the time I saw it, I was out, and I come back. When did I come back? I come back around here. So good, maybe 10-20 minutes after news broke. I was thinking about shorting. I might have got a little bit out of it, but not a lot. Had a bit of a hectic day. I had to absolutely ram a bloody bowl of cereal down me 5 minutes before going live. Right, we're open. I haven't updated my targets, price targets on that bottom bar, so ignore that. I might try and get to it in a minute, but so could potentially see a little reaction from this. Maybe sell off towards that short target. What was that short target? $6.90. Fucking sang in my throat. Right, what was it? $6.90. Oh, 50-50 votes today. Only 2 votes though, so it doesn't really count, but... yeah, I can see it being a bit of a shitty session, to be honest. And I need to not have too long of a session, so if we don't do anything pretty quick, I'll probably just call it early, because I feel like it could be quite choppy, quite boring. Some wedges on ES, that's just getting eaten up. On the sell side. Right, let's see if I can update my little box. My little scrolling bar. Honestly, I think I've had this joke of the day all week. Just call it joke of the week, really, shouldn't I? Right, what's my long target? 21,186. It's a long way. No sign of stopping at the minute. Maybe it's just going to be a buy the dip moment. Maybe we take higher data to that. Mad, wouldn't it? VWAP could be interesting. Basically around the 21,000 mark as well. I might look at having a little short from VWAP, to be honest. See how we play. Morning, bro. How was yesterday? How was yesterday? I think I put it in Discord. I think I was 380 up on the day. Basically, only traded the morning, the London session. And yeah, it wasn't too bad. The 3 funded accounts just, oh, Taco. Unlucky, man, unlucky. Past eval, I was trading with them. succumbed to the repeated blows from the market and didn't survive to win my rounds in the fight. But we're back. Yes, mate, we're back. Unlucky, mate. I've been having it rough as well lately. I've been all rules have gone out the window really for me at the minute. I need to sort myself out a little bit. I've actually written some stuff down this morning to try and get a little bit stricter. I think I've gone from being like very, very strict on my funded accounts to like not wanting to touch anything else except my exact strategy, and that's that. So then I had a good day or so on the practice account, didn't I? Literally just fucking winging it as I saw it. So now I've tried taking that over to the challenge accounts, and then obviously it's not gone as well. I feel like I need to find the middle ground of having rules but not having any rules. Because yeah, at the minute I'm just sort of taking any sort of setup that I like the look of. But I need to start just focusing on the setups that I really like. I think I've got to stop just limit ordering in at a level unless there's like something else there to sort of give me confidence, like VWAP or something. Is the stream alright, everyone? Just give me a heads up if it is or not, because on my end it's frozen, the preview's frozen. Market wears you down, taxes your patience and discipline, and when you break, that's when it's over. My winning day was yesterday, just right around the corner from my loss, but crazy loss. Yeah, it's easily done, mate. It's easy to overtrade, I think, as well. I've been doing the same. I'm practicing evals I care less and do so well, yeah. It's weird, isn't it? It just goes to show that you can trade. It's just the emotional side of it that you're struggling with. I feel like a thief to choose a fib strat and it worked. Who am I? Yeah, bloody fucking fib. Yeah, all good. Oh, nice one. Cheers, Taco. Appreciate that. I don't know what's going on. It's just frozen on me drinking my drink, which was about 15 minutes ago. Need to shower. I feel like a rat. Name change him, kind of. Fit boy Scotty. Do it, go on, I'd fucking love it. Good, I 50. Oh, ES has tapped VWAP. Might be why we're getting a bit of a sell-off. Big wedge of orders around 202. 202. Bloody, the 202 orders around 810. Stuck a little limit order for free if we go up there. Oh, okay, man. Wagwan. How you doing, mate? How you doing? Thank you, hit 200 EMA and the fib. Work to the tick. Crazy market. Can we have deep state back, please? Yeah, it's been a bit of a mad pre-market. I had a busy morning, so I missed the news drop. $73 points from entry. Oh, just realised we've had a fucking setup on the funders. Shit on it. 50 points. Stop by 1. I'm off to order my new car, life change. Might start using ICT next week. Lewis, what car would you get if money was no object? Invalidated for me. It looks like we've tapped VWAP on ES, so maybe that's all we need. $1994 Porsche 911. Nice. Yeah, that's nice, man. I don't know what I'll get, to be honest. Wouldn't mind a Mustang. Those options, to be fair. Yeah, to be fair, I think if money was no object, I'd just get them all. Just get all the cars that I want. Anything that looks good, that'll do. Max out new defender yet? Yeah, you need unlimited money to do the repairs on it. The maintenance. Cybertruck's quite, oh, mate, I couldn't imagine having a Cybertruck. I feel like I'd be driving around in a metal fucking lunchbox. Rather like 3 normal cars, top spec than 400k supercar. I mean, supercars aren't really practical, are they? Especially in England, you'll fucking write it off on the first pothole you see. Maybe if you lived in like Monaco or something, you'd be alright, but... yeah, it's not something you would want to do for everyday driving. Yeah, I think I wouldn't mind, yeah, some form of SUV. Just a little everyday run around car, do you know what I mean? Range Rover or Defender or something like that, I don't know. Wouldn't mind a G-Wagon. Bum, bum. At least if the girlfriend was driving a Cybertruck, she can't curve it. And if I needed a repair, I could go to B&Q. Big fan of the old SL Mercedes, like the old school one, okay. Go on, crashing, you're dead, yeah. Run up Tesco's in a Lambo. What would you even need a Lambo for other than London? Yeah, so unless you're like someone who goes to a track and races it often for fun, then there's no point in having anything like that. You ain't gonna want to drive it anywhere because you're gonna fucking ding the undercarriage on any fucking speed bump, pothole, you name it. Great, now I'm on the Defender website seeing what I would get. There goes an hour. Yeah, it's nice to dream, isn't it? Nice to customize a car you can never afford. One day will be there. You gotta let the peasants know they aren't on your level. Pull up to it in a Ferrari just to buy a Christmas tree because I can. My flex is paying the fine. So yeah, quite a split body and profile today. There's a good chance we could literally range in here for a little while. Despite coming across as someone who shouldn't ever have money, I am sensible despite the above. Yeah, alright, Lewis. I think I'd be pretty chill if I had lots of money. I'll treat myself to a few things here and there, but I think overall I'd probably just invest it. Should have held 100 points from entry, yeah. So I much prefer spending it on others than going to visit places, yeah. Yeah, treating people that you love. And yeah, going on lots of holidays would be the only thing that I would really do. I'd buy a nice, reliable car. I'd probably buy a Toyota or something, to be honest. I'd want to buy something that I can have for the rest of my life. Or at least a good long while. I'd probably buy a motorbike, to be honest. I quite like the idea of having a motorbike. Relive my moped days back when I was 16. Trouble is, on a day like today, your entry's got to be pretty bang on, hasn't it? Otherwise, you're gonna have a pretty big stop. Don't want a big house, too much cleaning. Actually, pays on to it. Yeah, 100%. You've got to have a cleaner. You've got to have a cleaner. Yeah, I wouldn't mind like a decent sized house. Like a good maybe 5-6 bed. But yeah, on a bit of land in the middle of nowhere. Nice long driveway. Sort of Victorian style, I wouldn't mind. Nice high ceilings. Me just got off by there. Fuck me. Don't know why it's so shocking. Did this the other day. Properties. Restart capture. There we go. Sorry, lads. If that happens, yeah, just give me a shout when I can get it back up and going again. Oh, we've had news dropping me. I didn't even do the news check. Home sales, I think. New home sales. They're up more than what was forecasted. Just putting a little limit order at the top of the range. Small risk, risking about 120, I think. I'd buy a rundown house with loads of scope. Yeah, what? Something to a little project to do. Yeah, wouldn't mind doing that, but I wouldn't want too much to do. Not if you're rich. Because you can just get someone else to do it, but I'd rather have something that was more done and ready to just fucking crack on with. I'm in. Yeah, I'll stop just at the top of the range. If we push out much further than that, we're probably going for VWAP, and I don't think I'd rather just be out and then maybe look to play that separately. A big volume building. Putting 30 points, nice, Lewis. It's a hand, how you doing, mate? Good to see you. Not loving how ES is looking, to be honest. Yes, it just tapped into a big wad of sell limits, so could see a little rejection off of there, or we're going to buy straight through it. I've just got an ad on YouTube, no fucking way. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, ES is really struggling to push higher at the minute. Sort of giving me hope. Bit of divergence on the ES and Nasdaq as well. Yeah, not quite getting the quick response I was looking for, really. Hoping it'd be a bit of a quicker sell-off. Oh, God. Ba-da-ba-ba. Oh, I'm out. Should have waited for the VWAP play, maybe. There's just one big dead cat bounce. Yes, probably, mate. Two sets, guys. A miss is just ringing me. Two seconds, guys. The missus doesn't have a key, so we'll go and let her in. I'm back in the room. Could have been worse timing. Oh, I'm fit. I'm out of breath. Really tempted to short here, but just don't know if I'm feeling it. I guess tariffs don't matter. Why is the market up? Man, stocks are wild. Yeah, it's a bizarre one, isn't it? How come you're looking for the sell setup, bro? Purely because I was looking at this volume profile, and obviously bearing in mind we hadn't moved up, and I could just see us maybe chopping up and down in this this little profile. Do you know what I mean? That was a thought. ES had just tapped VWAP. There was a big wedge of orders on ES, sell orders. And yeah, I just felt good about it, but I'm still tempted to short from VWAP, but I'm not. I don't know if I'm convinced. Price might want to buy since it hit the 1 hour buy area, then it's shifted on the smaller time frame since like that 5 minute area got a BOS. Yeah. I could be definitely could be calling it wrong. I had the choppy vibes today, do you know what I mean? Looks like it might not have been too bad of a play. Could have been a break even now, maybe. Right, I'm in for 2. Boom, 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 boom. We'll get a rejection from here, otherwise it's another loss, I think. Boom, boom, boom. Very close to being stopped out. It's annoying, if I just entered when I wanted to enter, I wouldn't have been getting the FOMO. Would maybe even been out of break even at the worst, probably. Yeah, I'm out. 184 down for the day. Yeah, I've just got it wrong. I think we break through VWAP then. Maybe push up to that next big fat node on the volume profile on the day, maybe. It's one of them fucking days. Need to sort my shit out. The play that I should have taken was the original VWAP. Well, I'm not too mad about this short here. Like, I've been trying to foresee that being a bit range bound. That's fine. It was a loss. Yeah, the VWAP, I should have just had a limit or a setup on VWAP, I think. Then worst case scenario, I'd have been out for break even on that. Bum, 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 bum. You could potentially be getting a setup on the fundeds for a long, but I'm just not convinced we're long. Even though I've taken, what, 2 losses on the trot trying to short. Yeah, some validated that anyway. Tell you what, I want to be really annoyed if we sell off from here. I don't know why I didn't have my stop on the high. I normally would do, but I didn't today for some reason. I think I was just expecting if we were to come back to VWAP a very quick tap and that would be it. If we were pushing up past it, I'd have been not expecting it to sell off, but had to make a new high so we could go lower. I forget where your stop loss was, but if you had the whole zone, you'd have been good. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't have it on the high. Yeah, it's been very silly recently. Well, I think I'm going to call it anyway. I think I've got plans at H&M. She needs to have some clothes for holiday, so that's my evening sorted. But I mean, to be honest, it's a bit of shit today. I've started off nearly 400 up first trade, ended the day minus 184, but considering I've actually taken quite a few trades today, it's not damage isn't too bad. I'll quickly review the trades I took earlier this morning. Yeah, I took a short from 8 in the Asia session. A little bit of drawdown, but got there in the end. And then I got chopped up here trying to short again. Basically from a similar area. And tried to short. We had formed a little range and then we swept the range. And then we had a nice aggressive sell-off. I got a bad entry here trying to short it, stopped out. I was then convinced, okay, we're going long, got in for a long, stopped out. And then realised I had it right the first time, got in short again. And then, yeah, made back my losses on them few mistakes, but then, yeah, that short was essentially high of the day, high of London session. Mental jabs of trading adds up, bro, for sure. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. I need the week off. I need the holiday. Hopefully I'll come back in a week's time, fresh as a fucking daisy. Enjoy yourself. Yes, enjoy. Cheers, stopping by, everyone. And yes, obviously I'm on fucking hell. I'm on holiday next week, so I'll be back the following week. Should be back on Monday. Yeah, I don't think there's any bank holidays or anything, as I know. So yeah, I'll see you a week on Monday. But yeah, cheers for stopping by. Good luck for the rest of your day. Be careful. It might not be great today. And yeah, enjoy your weekend and enjoy your week without me as well. I'm sure you'll all survive, but I don't know how you will. Laters, K-Man. See you later, mate. Nice to see you. See you later, Taco. See you later, Lewis. See you later, Ray. Yes, I'll see you a week Monday. Cheers, bye.